and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Sisters of the Immaculate Heart of Mary Shillong Province launched its 3-year preparation for the centenary of the arrival of the pioneers to Northeast India on 10 December 2020 at FMA Outreach Lom Shiap, Shillong. Our correspondent, Sister Eugenia Lalu FMA, said that a meaningful prayer service that recalled the challenges, struggles and indomitable faith of the 6 pioneers who arrived at Guwahati on 8 December 1923 was the main focus of the celebration. Present for the occasion were the Provincial Council members, animators of the 30 communities of the province, sisters from the Shillong houses, novices and representatives of the Salesian family. In her inaugural message, Sister Elizabeth George, the Provincial, invited the sisters to strive for missionary fruitfulness in the various apostolates that span through the states of Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and some parts of Assam. Father A. L. Jose SDB, Delegate for Salesian Family Shillong Province, addressing the gathering, reminded them that the goal of the mission is namely salvation of souls.
When I went through the annals, I found 2-3 interesting things I want to share with you on this day. One of the things is this, what Monsignor Matthias told about the sisters, of the coming of the sisters. I am convinced, Monsignor Luis Matthias writes, that a mission without sisters is incomplete. A mission without sisters is incomplete. For that Pintor is very sad because we don't have sisters with us. But then we have great joy as well because we have two Salesian foundations here as well as many others, other places all around the parish. Okay. But otherwise, it is a joy that every Salesian parish has got, also the sisters working most of the places we have. And
Sister Elizabeth George, our provincial, will carry the flag of the Institute to remind us that we belong to the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. We express our joy and happiness and our determination to live our identity as a living monument of Don Bosco's gratitude to Mary Help of Christians.
Sister Phyllis Beaumont will carry the map of Northeast India. We are called to serve the one, especially the poor and abandoned young people in our mission.
Sister Isabella Suja will carry the constitution of our institute, spirit and charism as outlined by our founder, Saint John Bosco, and lived creatively by Saint Mary Dominica Mazzarello as sure guidelines.
Sister Rosa Pingrove will carry now the flags in preparation towards the centenary with the centenary logo and the motto, gratitude and fidelity. As we begin this journey of life, may we live the coming 3 years with a deep sense of gratitude to God for the bountiful harvest and commit to live our life in joyful fidelity in the service of God and young people.
It's my great joy and satisfaction, great pleasure on this day as we begin the 3-year preparation for the celebration of the arrival of our first missionaries to Northeast India. To officially inaugurate the 3-year preparation, which starts today officially in the province, though locally we have already done on the 8th. Remember, exact date was 8th of December, but as a province we have gathered. So it's with great joy and gratitude to God, I officially inaugurate the 3-year preparation for the centenary of the arrival of our pioneers.
We are so fortunate, we are privileged. Let us now stand together and sing our anthem.
The Salesians of Don Bosco, the Zambia, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Namibia Vice Province ZMB own land in Makululu, Zambia, where they would like to build a house of hope for street children with addictions or are mentally disturbed. The house, according to the intentions of the Salesian, is to be built next to the existing house called Siloto, which in the local language Bemba means dream. The Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, with the consensus of the Council, has appointed Father Jose Pastor Ramirez as Provincial of the Salesian St. John Bosco Province of the Antilles for 2021 to 2026. Father Pastor Ramirez is currently Rector and Parish Priest of the St. John Bosco House in Santo Domingo, Director of the Antilles Salesian Library, and also offers the service of the Sovereign Order of Malta in the Dominican Republic. Taking place this coming Saturday, 12th December at 11 local time at the Episcopal Curia of Tivoli is the opening of the diocesan inquiry into the cause of beatification and canonization of the servant of God, Monsignor Giuseppe Cognata Agrigento, 14th October 1885, Pellaro, 22nd July 1972, of the Pious Society of St. Francis de Sales, titular Bishop of Farsalo, former Bishop of Bova, and founder of the Institute of the Salesian Oblates of the Sacred Heart, SOSC. The event will be chaired by Monsignor Mauro Parmigiani, Bishop of Tivoli and Palestrina. We have tried by all means to invite children and young people to be very responsible, above all, and to follow as citizens the indications of the civil and health authorities of each country. In this sense, we have provided, especially to the children of our works, useful pedagogical, educational and didactic indications. When children understand, they are often more attentive than us adults. Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians, analyzes the Salesian response to the pandemic and its consequences and applauds young people for their commitment without forgetting the sacrifice of many of his conferers and the challenges still to be overcome. On 8th December, on the feast day of Immaculate Conception of Mary in the National Shrine, Nuestra Señora del Carmen, 7 Salesians were ordained deacons by the laying on of hands and consecrating prayer of Monsignor Tito Solari Capillari SDB, Bishop Emeritus of Cochabamba. On December 5th, in the Church of St. John the Baptist in Clifton Hill, Melbourne, Monsignor Terence Curtin, Auxiliary Bishop of Melbourne, presided over the diaconal ordination of Salesian Michael Dominic Gaikwad. The Academic Senate of the Salesian Pontifical University was held on 2nd December, chaired by Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians and Grand Chancellor of the UPS. Present, among others, were Father Mauro Mantovani, Rector Magnificus of the University, and Father Ivo Coelho, General Counsellor for Formation. In Japan, Tokyo, new 5 Sisters of Caritas Sisters of Jesus belonging to the Salesian family took their first vow on 8th December in a ceremony that was held at the Japanese district headquarters of the Kali Nuns of Jesus, the Holidays of the Immaculate Virgin. This year, only the family and limited people were invited to take care of corona infections. The Archbishop Kikuchi of the Archdiocese of Tokyo was the main celebrant. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.